think most people would agree that we should be striving and designing for a healthy and active population. For many, the design of our neighbourhoods lends itself to unhealthy and inactive habits. These little decisions that we make every day has led to a physical inactivity crisis across the UK. As set out by the Department for Transport in its gear change document, physical inactivity is responsible for 1 in 6 UK deaths and costs the NHS up to £1 billion per annum, with further indirect costs calculated at £8.2 billion. In terms of the benefits, it is said that 20 minutes of exercise per day cuts the risk of developing depression by 31%. Cycling contributes to the economy, and walking supports local business. Linked to active travel is the opportunity to reduce the number of cars on the road and realizing the resulting air quality improvements. Are we witnessing a golden era for active travel? Previously, the two main barriers were a lack of dedicated funding for walking and cycling, as well as a supportive policy framework. We now have seen the government commit substantial funding through the Active Travel Fund, Transforming Cities Fund, Future High Streets Fund, as well as Highways England User and Communities Fund. Supporting the dedicated funding is Gear Change, which sets out the vision for walking and cycling, and LTN 120, which sets out cycle infrastructure design standards. We are starting to see the rollout of active travel schemes across the UK. Taking my local neighbourhood of Dalston as an example, there are pavement widening initiatives to support the high street activity and social distancing, time closures through school streets in and around local schools in the area, cycling improvements here, with the whole area covered by low traffic neighbourhood. I particularly like this modal filter. It is worth bearing in mind that active travel schemes are not without challenges. Some have suggested that green gentrification is occurring, where more deprived areas feel the negative effects of schemes like low traffic neighbourhoods. Concerns have also been voiced by the public over the value for money that active travel schemes offer. These are legitimate concerns that must be addressed through scheme design, consultation, and implementation. We know the physical inactivity challenge that we face. We understand the benefits of a healthy and active population and how walking and cycling initiatives can support that. We have the funding and policy to support implementation. We have schemes being delivered on the ground. If we can demonstrate the benefits and overcome the challenges, we might just be able to deliver a golden era for active travel.